They're small, easy to make, and dangerously snackable.
A tiny, tasty treat that packs a powerful punch.
Try to say that 3 times fast as we make mini pizzas on Recipe Box Rewind, where we bring old family recipes
and memories
back to life. So this one is handwritten, and right away at the top it says microwave.
Yeah, this is 45 seconds, and let's get that party started. And in today's mystery, it says on the back, Crotesca. What is that? Is it a last name?
The world may never know. All right, let's cook these babies.
Okay, step 1. Grab your microwavable plate and lay out your Melba toast rounds.
I love Melba toast. It immediately makes me feel like this is something you'd see at a family party, sitting next to deviled eggs and a cheese ball.
Yes. All right, then we'll open the tomato paste can. Not tomato sauce.
No, this is concentrated. This is commitment.
So next, we will spread the tomato paste on each of the Melba toast rounds.
Then place 1 slice of pepperoni on each. We're using turkey pepperoni. I kind of feel like a dealer in a pepperoni card game here.
Next, we'll follow that up with a slice of mozzarella on each. We chose the thin sliced mozzarella. We then cut each piece in half. Otherwise, you kind of get a melted mess.
And if you're enjoying this episode, please subscribe and ring the bell so you get every episode.
Then we're going to sprinkle oregano on top. And that oregano is doing a lot of heavy lifting.
It's really going to give us that pizza flavor. Then in our toughest cooking assignment yet, just pop it in the microwave for 45 seconds to a minute on high. We're going to choose 45 seconds or else it gets too melty. So while this cooks, on the back of the card in the lower right corner, it says something like Crotesca.
Yeah, not sure. That's the beauty of these cards. Part recipe, part mystery.
So I guess we will label this an official
RBR Mystery.
All right, look, they're done. Oh, baby, these mini pizzas are looking awesome.
They look fantastic. Can't wait to try these out. See you at the island.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Mini
Here
pizzas.
we go, mini pizzas.
The test. Amazing. Oh, yeah.
This is so good. So good.
This
Love
is
it.
a great little appetizer before any party. You've got the Melba toast, the tomato paste.
The turkey pepperoni. So easy. And they're microwaved, y'all. Come on.
Microwave. A little mozzarella, that oregano on top really adds a little touch of flavor to it. Really, really
So good. And as always, we love to pair some wine with what we're cooking. And so today, with our mini pizzas, what makes the most sense? A little Chianti.
Tastes so good.
So good with that.
And if you enjoyed this episode, make sure that you hit us up at Let's Cook at RecipeBoxRewind.com and let us know that and share your recipe as well. We're also on all the socials, so make sure you find us there.
And you know, Bill,
Yes, Randal.
you're never going to know what we pull out of the recipe box next.
That's right, so you better tune in to find out. Cheers.
Cheers.
That's a winner.
Oh,
That's a winner, people.
yes.
Winner.
Very good.